I'm a double major, psychology and intercultural studies. So with our major, we are working with all types of people groups as well as just working all over the globe.
I love all of my intercultural studies classes. I had a class this semester called Global Social Responsibility. And so it's teaching a lot about Christian stewardship and what our responsibility and duty is as Christians to not only preach the gospel, but also to minister to people's physical needs. And so we've taken a closer look on what poverty actually looks like in a deeper level and how to do poverty alleviation in a way that is helpful and not hurtful. You need to understand where they're coming from and the context that they're coming from, because our solutions that might work here are probably oftentimes not going to work in their context and country. And so that's why it's important to be able to go in and listen first.
I had a really amazing opportunity to go to South Africa with FCA this summer. And so while I was there, I was living in a camp with all sorts of people and international teammates from Africa. And so we were able to learn more about each other, as well as going through curriculum about God's heart for the nations. We would work with different groups of people, types of children, and just like show up at like a random basketball court and then just be able to interact with the children there, feed them, serve them, and just teach them the love of God.
I will have the opportunity to either study abroad or to just go on a trip overseas as part of my major. And Belhaven has connections with some other short-term missions programs that offer the ability for students to go overseas and get connected and have those hands-on experiences.
Pursuing Jesus and following him is something that I want to be a part of, and having this biblical curriculum here, the worldview integrated in all of my courses and classes, has just helped me to see like doing psychology like in the right way, or doing studying different culture in the right way and using it for the kingdom is what's worth it in the end.
It's a great community, and the professors not only care about you as an individual, but they are doing everything in their power to give you the best education that they can. So it's been a really good experience.